Hi, this is Marlo with Honda Tri-State, and today we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler that we installed blind spot mirrors, blind spot cameras, and also a rear camera on the factory using the factory screen. So this is the driver's side here, and this is the camera, which is triggered when you put on the left turn signal. This will be the rear camera that we have that fits into the factory OEM tire, and this will be the passenger side camera here. So let's go inside the vehicle and see how it works. Okay, so we have the customer's car, which is, again, it's a factory OEM screen. There are some special, as long as he has color screen navigation, he should be able to get camera signal going to that factory screen. So as we hit the left turn signal, that is the left side there. And if we hit the right turn signal, this is the passenger side camera here. And if we put the vehicle in reverse, we will get the reverse image on there as well. So all of this is using the customer's factory OEM screen. As long as you have factory navigation and a color screen, you can add side mount cameras. The side mount cameras could be handy if you do take the doors off. So if the door is removed, you will still have this here, which can act as your mirror, and it'll still show up on your screen. Thanks.